Hi, my name is Glyn Hauser, Design Innovation Manager here at Morphy Richards. Today we'd like to show you how to care and maintain your Power Steam Elite steam generator. So some of you may know, but those that don't, when you generate steam, an unfortunate byproduct is limescale. And if you don't clean your product, limescale can build and build, which can damage your product and sometimes lead to a failure. So this product actually prompts you when you need to perform that cycle. So, when you turn your product on, if you see this light, the descale light, this is actually saying, right, you must descale the product. If we turn the product off, now it's really important that when you do perform this function that the product has been left to cool, ideally for about an hour, so that all the pressure is gone and the temperature of the sole plate is reduced. So take the hand iron off and remove the water tank. And turn the base unit upside down. Now you'll notice this key here and this silicone flap which reveals the nut. Take the key out and then undo this nut. Once you've removed the nut, we now advise that you take the product to a sink or maybe the bath, but today I'm just going to show you this on this beaker. So now what we basically have to do is get all the loose limescale out of the boiler and flush the system through. So simply turn the product upside down and empty the product into the sink or container. You should notice limescale actually coming out of the boiler. Now it's really important that you make sure that all the water has come out of the boiler. Otherwise the descale light won't turn off when you next turn the product on. So we've emptied out all the limescale and all the concentrated water. What you'll actually see is this is like water with limescale in it. If I shake that, that's actually what's normally inside your reservoir. So you see it's very highly concentrated, quite damaging. So now we recommend actually you fill the water tank up again with about 100 milliliters of water. And this is just to make sure any of the loose limescale can be flushed out. So once again, turn the product upside down over your sink. And make sure all that water does come out. Just gently twist the product around, just make sure it's all out. Okay, once we're happy that all the water's out, turn the product upside down again and replace the nut. Just as before. Now it's really important that you make sure this nut is very tight, otherwise there could be leaks. Place the key back in there. Turn the product the right way up. Fix the water tank back on, make sure obviously it's filled with water. Make sure that's sound in place. Hand iron back on. Plug the product in and then switch the product on again. Now what you see is the light is still on, but now you hear this pump. So the pump will sound for around 20 seconds. At the end of that pumping cycle, this descale light should turn off. So now you can see the descale light is successfully turned off and you can return to ironing. Thank you very much for listening.